A very good morning, BBPians. How are you all? All fine. Stay home. Be safe, children. Now, children, class 5th. In previous class, we discussed chapter number 6. In today's class, we discuss exercise. All of you take out your copies and solve it in your copies. Clear, children? Now, see, we discuss exercise. So, take out page number 35. Exercise number 6. Chapter number 6. Now, see our first question, children. See the following distributions and state the relation between both with the help of greater than sign, smaller than, greater than, equals to. Clear, children? All of you understood? Now in this question what we discuss, what we do the greater than, smaller than and equals to. All of you understood? Now see first one, 1 by 4 blank 3 by 4. Now how can we find it is greater than or smaller than? Which number is greater than and smaller than, children? Now see, all of you know this is very easy. First, ये तो बहुत easy है, लेकिन मैं आपको एक method बताती हूँ. If any doubt, if any difficult, how can you solve what is greater than and what is smaller than? Now see, this is two numbers दिए हुए हैं. Now in a rough column, we done this by 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Now we cross multiply. Clear, children? We cross multiply. 4 multiply 3. 1 multiply 4. 4 multiply 3, 1 multiply 4. So 4 3s are 4 3s are, children, see here, 1 multiply 4, 3 multiply 4. Clear, children? Now see 4 1s are 4 and again 3 4s are 12. In this number, which is greater, children? This side. Because क्यों ये साइड ग्रेटर होगा? क्योंकि यहाँ कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 12 नंबर. और यहाँ क्या आ रहा है? 4 नंबर. क्लियर? आपको समझ में आया? ये 1 इस साइड है तो हमें इस साइड 1 का देखना है, और ये नंबर 3 इधर है तो हमें 3 का देखना है. अंडरस्टैंड, चिल्ड्रन? आपको समझ में आया ये कैसे हुआ? दिस इज रफ कॉलम, सो 3 by 4 is greater than. Clear, children? Now see our second one. Same here. Now see second. Same procedure. 3 by 8 multiply 4 by 7. 3 multiply 7. 4 multiply 8. 3 1s are 3. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Clear, children? Now here 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 30, 8 4s are 32. So which is greater? This side is greater. Means 4 side is greater. आपको समझ में आया? तो this side is greater. We done the exam question number first, thumb number third. Clear, children? First we have done, third we have done. Now see 6th one. Clear, children? Now see 6th one. Now see 7 by 13. Same cross multiply 1 by 7. Now see here, children. 7 multiply 7. 1 multiply 13. 7 7s are 49. And here 13 1s are 13. यहाँ कौन सा बड़ा हो गया? This number. आपको समझ में आया? और 49 कहाँ पर है? कौन सा नंबर है 49 का? 7 वाला. तो कौन सा ग्रेटर हो गया? ये वाला. क्लियर, चिल्ड्रन? अंडरस्टूड? वेरी गुड. नाउ सी 7 1. 7 नंबर, सेम प्रोसीजर. 2 by 3, 4 by 6. We again cross multiply. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 2 multiply 6. Again 4 multiply 3. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Same here, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. These number are equal. So here the sign is, कौन सा sign होगा? Equals to. Understood, children? Understood? Student, remaining do yourself. Clear? Follow this method, cross multiplication. Understand? Understand and do in your copy. Clear? We have solved many questions. Remaining do yourself in CW copy, and this also you may note down. Now see question number second, children. Now children, see question number second. Write the following fraction in the form of distribution. There are fractions will be given. What we done? We done fractions. We draw fractions. Now see 1 by 5. Understood? Means denominator is 5. We make a 5 circle and numerator is 1. We shade a 1 portion. Now see how we done. Draw a circle. Make 5 blocks. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You may draw same also. Clear children? You may draw same. But what we draw? क्या draw करना है? हमें ऐसी चीज draw करनी है जिसमें 5 blocks हो. You may also draw box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You may draw also this also. Clear? This may be or this may be. You shaded one portion from this and this. So total unshaded total portion 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shaded part 1. Same here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number. Shaded part 1. All of you understood? Understood? You also do this. Now see second one. 3 by 2. How can we draw? ये तो कर लिया चलो कि 1 नंबर था. अब हम ये कैसे करेंगे? We discuss mixed fraction children. We also discuss mixed fraction and improper fraction. How we done? Now see what can we do? This is 2 number. मतलब हमें 2 का बनाना है. This 2. Circle the whole. Shaded the whole portion. This में. So this is 1 block. That means 2. Now see plus 1. That is 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3 by 2. Clear children? Clear? Understand? You draw this. Now see third one. 6 means circle of 6 या box of 6. Now see and 13 by 2. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12. हमें क्या बनाना है? 2 6 के shaded portion बनाने हैं. Now see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clear children? Plus clear children? 1 plus 1 plus here 13. Clear children? So we draw only one. We shade only one portion. Why? Because 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 1 13. Clear children? Now see 1 by 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 1 by 6. So equals to 13 by 6. All of you understood? Children, we also draw again because you can't, if you understand, now listen this again. Draw this portion, again draw this portion, only draw one portion. Clear children? 1 bracket 6, 1 bracket 6 plus 1 by 6. So total 13 by 6. Clear children? All of you understood? Now see 7 by 4 means, all of you understood? Draw complete. 1 that means 4 plus that means 3/4. So total equals to 7/4. All of you understood, children? Understood? Now this is second question. Now we done. We do third question, children. Now children, see question number third. Write the following in words. Means fraction number we have written in words. May be possible? Yes, it is possible. Now see 3/4. When we speak, we also write down here. जैसे जैसे हम बोलते हैं, जैसे 3/4, 3/4, हम इसको क्या प्रोनाउंस करेंगे? 3/4. तो हम लिखेंगे अभी वैसे ही 3/4. Clear, children? Clear? Now see second, 1 to 5th. 1 and 2 5th. ऐसे ही बोलेंगे 1 and 2 5th. Clear, children? Clear? Now see third, 2 and 3/3/5. 2 and 3/5. So now what we can write? 2 and 3/5. Clear, children? Understand? Now children, do question number first, second, third in your notebook. Clear, children? Now do your practice at home. In today's class that is sufficient. In next class we discuss our question number 4, 5, 6 and so on. That's it sufficient today. Now do practice at home. Stay home. Be safe, children. Now we meet in next class. Take rest, children. Bye.